Meaning of Indian club.
Indian club.
Indian club.
Indian club.
Indian club. An Indian club is a type of exercise equipment consisting of wooden or metal clubs used for physical training in sport. The clubs vary in weight, shape, and size and are swung in different patterns to improve strength, coordination, and flexibility. Originally developed in the Indian subcontinent, the clubs became popular with British soldiers and fitness enthusiasts in the 19th century and have since been used in various fitness routines, such as club swinging and kettlebell training. Overall, Indian clubs offer a unique and effective way to enhance overall physical wellness through functional movement patterns.